Good morning, students. In the previous video, we studied about the integrated rate equation of the zero order reaction. इस वीडियो में हम इंटीग्रेटेड रेट इक्वेशन निकालेंगे फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन के लिए. तो उसी तरीके से रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन दिस इज इक्वल टू माइनस डी आर बाई डी टी and this is equal to k concentration raised to power 1 because this is first order reaction, so this depends upon the first power of the concentration. Okay, in the next step we can write minus d r by dr upon this r equals to k dt, or this dr upon r is equal to minus k dt. Is it clear? Now we will integrate it. Okay, so integrating both the sides, the integration of dx upon x is equal to ln x. Okay, ln means natural log, so here we will write ln r equal to minus kt plus c. Again there will be constant, integration constant, and its value will be find out on the basis of the initial conditions. Initially the concentration r equal to r0 and time t equals to 0, so I am putting these values ln r equal to r0 and time t equals to 0 plus c. So this will give us the value of c equals to ln r0. Okay, so now we will put the value of this c equals to ln r0 in this equation. So I am erasing here. This reaction becomes like this: ln r0, sorry, ln r equal to minus kt plus, in place of c I will put ln r0. Okay, so this time we can draw a graph. Okay, in between ln r and t. So how we will get the graph? This will be like this. Here we take ln r and here the time. Okay, now this is again equal to y equal to mx plus c, and here the negative slope is here, so we will get a line with a negative slope, and this point shows the value of ln r0. This is called intercept, and the slope will be minus k. Okay, now we will do some changes in this reaction, this equation. So transposing this kt to this side and this one to this side, we will have this one kt equals to ln R0 minus ln R. Okay. Now KT equals to, this is log A minus log B. So applying the formula of logarithm, we can apply ln R0 upon R. Okay. This is the formula to find the relationship in between the time and the rate constant. When the natural log is converted into the log on the base of the 10, we have to multiply it by 2.303. So this equation will be like this: K T equals to 2.303 log R0 upon R. Is it clear? Or this may be written in this way: K equals to 2.303 upon T log R0 upon R. This may be written T here or K here. Okay, no problem. So we can write this in this way also: T equals to 2.303 upon K log R0 upon R. So this may be written in this way also: T equals to 2.303 upon K log R0 upon R. इस इक्वेशन से भी हम रेट कांस्टेंट और टाइम के बीच में क्या है रिलेशन निकाल सकते हैं, और यहाँ भी हम चाहें तो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। जैसे स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ करने के लिए हम थोड़ा सा इसमें चेंजेस करते हैं और फिर हम इसको KT अपॉन 2.303 वाले पोर्शन को इधर ले आएंगे। KT अपॉन 2.303 इक्वल टू लॉग R0 अपॉन R। ओके, अब अगर हम ग्राफ खींचे लॉग R0 अपॉन R और T के रेस्पेक्ट में, तो चूंकि इसमें कांस्टेंट टर्म नहीं है, हमें अगेन एक स्ट्रेट लाइन मिलेगी, और स्ट्रेट लाइन भी कहां से पास होगी? ओरिजिन से पास होगी। ओके, हियर दिस साइड log R0 upon R. Okay, and the graph is drawn in between R0 upon R time. ठीक है, so we will get the graph in this way. ठीक है, और इसका स्लोप क्या होगा? स्लोप विल बी K अपॉन 2.303. स्लोप इक्वल्स टू K अपॉन 2.303. इज इट क्लियर? अब हम इसकी हाफ लाइफ निकालेंगे। हाफ लाइफ के लिए हम इसको थोड़ा सा ऐसे लिखते हैं, इसी इक्वेशन से बात करते हैं। T इक्वल्स टू 2.303 अपॉन K लॉग R0 अपॉन R। ओके, तो अगेन according to the definition of the half life is that time in which the initial concentration at time t becomes the half of the concentration taken initially. So here we will put R equal to R0 by 2. So on doing these changes, T equals to T half and 2.303 upon K log R0 upon R0 upon 2. So this will be like this. So this cancels and this will be 2.303 upon K log 2. Okay. And value of log 2 is 2.301 divided by K, and we get the value 0.693 upon K. So we are getting the half-life of the first order reaction is equal to 0.693 upon K. Means there is no any concentration terms in the equation for the half-life. Okay. So we can say the first order reaction, the half-life of the first order reaction does not depend upon the initial concentration of the reactant. Okay. Thank you.